And I wasn't recording at all. This is Corporal Woodhull. Well, I guess I just redo everything here. So this is the KeyMark by Medeco. It's a nasty paracentric keyway, but don't let that fool you because there are chambers in between, and if you have the right picks, you could definitely get in between those chambers and pick it just like normal. This is a 6-pin, and I have not opened this. So it's Father's Day today, and I did a stock lock Sunday video, and I got it out there just now. And now I feel bad because I just saw a note over here to make a video for Cherokee! Exclamation point. It's for her Notl lock giveaway. She won that giveaway from myself and lock picking kid, and I just thought it'd be weird to it'd be, you know what I mean, weird to try to go for an entry that she won of ours, but she assured me that it was okay. But I think what I'm going to do is I guess if I win, I'm going to just name somebody that I want those locks to go to. So yeah, just I don't know if I have a name. I think that the person that at the top of my head right here, I just watched his multi-lock interactive. He's picking all these great locks, but he's quite new. He goes by Notl, capital N, lowercase O-T-L, Notl. So that's who I'm that I want to substitute for this. Anyway, so Cherokee, if you're not subscribed to her, she has great content. She's very kind. Not only has she been a supporter of my channel, but she's supported my son as well, lock picking kid. So, and I can't thank anybody enough for supporting my son. So I put him before anything else besides his 2 daughters and my wife. Of course, they're all equal in my eyes. And but anyway, so thank you, Cherokee, for being so supportive, and especially for my son. So let's try to pick this Medeco. Do we use the keys? I'm sorry. Sometimes these keys are hard to get in there, by the way. That's my only issue with this. Like if it's nighttime, it would probably be really difficult. The symbol for this is located on the lock as well, but right here, and it pretty much resembles that paracentric keyway. On the back of these, it looks like a little golf club sort of, golf flag. I'm not into that. I'm curious. Is that standard for the KeyMark to have that on their keys, or is this maybe like a custom for like some golf course or something like that? I don't know. So if you know, chime in. So yeah, the pins, even though this is a paracentric keyway, you don't need to try to get around that at all. Let's get you in. There's actually chambers in between each pin, so you could easily just go down. Just be careful you're not hitting that warding or that chambering, should I say. Make sure you're not hitting that. You should be good. I'm trying to find. Oh yes, so I haven't opened this. Point being because I didn't have anything that was high enough and thin enough to get through there. So I actually ordered these SSDeVs from Sparrows. I haven't had these yet. I ordered some of the handles, the thermal handles in 25 thousandths, and the bear picks there off of, I think I had them at 15 thousandths, but unfortunately they all came in 15 thousandths, and I really anticipate to use a 25 thousandths more. And these being so thin, they're you have to be very careful with them. So, but I messaged Sparrows, and I'm quite confident they'll send me out some 25 thousandths with the handles. And I won't be using these because I did ask them if I wanted to give them back, and usually they'll just tell me to keep whatever and no problem. But either way, I have no problem sending those back. So I'm going to use a little shotgun in there. I think that's what it's called. This was some modified pick that I never ended up using for something. But out of these three, I think this would be the best right here. Yeah, so we'll go with that, and we'll get to work. Pin 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nope. Nothing on 3. Oh, we gotta do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't picked this, by the way, so 5 is binding. It'd be cool to get a first pick for a entry video, especially for Cherokee. That was 6, so leave 5 and 6 alone. Okay, 1 through 4 now. That's what we're working on. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3 is a binding. I think that was that was. I guess we'll move on. I don't know if I got that or not. That's strange. Okay, let's redo this. Okay. So we will put that at the bottom here. No, we don't want it to come out on us. There we go. That's nice and solid. Okay. These are 30 thousandths from Sparrows. Maybe 40 thousandths. That's pretty tight. But I like the. It's pretty unique. It used to be my go-to tensioner, and it is for certain things still. That was just coming off my pick at the bottom of that shotgun. So nothing on 1, 2, 3. No. Feels like it's still not binding. 4, no. 5 is binding. Okay. Gotta click that 5 there. Overset 5, so let's go back to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, which you get it right here. Alright, click out 5. Come on, 6. There we go. Nice click out 6. Nothing on 1, 2, no, nothing really there. 3's binding. Gotta click out 3. Moving to 4. What are you binding for? Nothing on 4, I don't think. Back to 1. I think we're binding on 1 here. Let's use something else on 1. We don't need anything too thin. I don't want to ruin the pick there, so okay. Using a 25 thousandths Tron there to get 1. So we need to go after. So that was 1. Let's go to 2. I gotta click out 2. Oh no! Don't tell me. We just needed 1 more. If for some miracle. Oh, we got the open. Wow, I have no idea how that happened. That is just. Oh, I got lucky on that. This is the first time me picking this, and I've had this lock since I first started. That's awesome. It feels great to have that open finally. But definitely get the SSDeVs. Highly recommended. Getting this lock, at least for me, I needed something a lot thinner. So yeah, that definitely paid off getting those. So let's put those back, and really, I really wasn't expecting to get it, but hey, they do the job when you need them. Let's get some gutting material out. Never gutted this, even though I had it for a while. Very cool. Awesome. So Cherokee, we got a first-time pick for your giveaway. So that's really awesome. I'm really happy about that. So again, here's the keys. Okay. And the gutting process usually takes most of the video. And since I'm not prepared, allow me to make some noise. I think this is usually pretty standard. Should be good for that. Maybe bigger. I don't know. This might be a bit bigger. Or maybe we need to be, yeah. We need to see what's in the back there. Phillips are flat. Alright. Cool, we got Phillips here. Alright, yeah, let's just go ahead and close this back up. We got the keys and everything. That's a clear open. Very nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, I actually thought I had one more pin to go, and it's like, oh man, you know, but it was actually set, and that's amazing. Yeah, but I've tried this lock on and off for quite some time. Oh, that's stuck on there. Okay, and he had two of these. I remember, and he just kind enough to give me one of them. So let's see here. Nothing crazy happening. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, I got a little red pin there. Alright, so let's do the key pins first. Sorry, I need to get around this camera too. Get this done right here. Alright, so key pin 6. This would be 6, 5, 4. Jumped over on us. 3. 2. Oh well, 2 is not a regular pin. And 1 is standard. Okay. Looking on the inside, I'm not seeing any sort of counter milling in the key area. So, this should be interesting. Other than that, it seems pretty standard. There's something at the, I don't know what's up with that, since this is at the top. That's strange, I don't know. Well, if you know what that is, why that's there, just chime in. Going to the driver pins, this should be interesting as well. And I don't even have a my tweezers out. Okay, so it's red. It's standard. How do we do our? Yeah, this is what we usually do. A red spring. How about that? Another standard pin. I think I'll have to have a closer look at these. Another red spring. that's it. So it's the KeyMark. Oop, some proper lighting in there. Actually, I have it. Nothing special that I could see. Trying to look in that second chamber there for anything crazy or nothing. Since we got that, I think there's only one security pin. That's a key pin in this. So there's that. All right. There you are. I'm not seeing anything significant about these. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting off cam there. A little beveled there, I guess, or other than that, it's pretty standard. Yeah, they all appear pretty standard. And the key pins. Okay, all key pins are standard. Let's check out this red one. Yep, that's standard 2, except for key pin number 2. That's interesting. Spools key pin there. Yep, and that is the KeyMark made by Medeco, and again, this is an entry video for Cherokee's giveaway for her Notl blocks, and I am submitting Notl. He's on both Blockpickers United Discord and YouTube. Again, it's Notl. He's quite new, and so if I happen to win, I'd like you to send those his way. So thank you again, Cherokee, for being so kind and supportive to all of us, really. And that's it. Take care.